After completing the B part, do the C part. Write down in the table below three adverbs of frequency that mean the same as those in the left hand column. Think of adverbs that have not been used already. अब आपको कॉलम दिए गए हैं. The one is adverbs. Those are especially adverbs of frequency ही होंगे. And then you have to write their synonyms. कि adverbs आपके पास दिए हुए हैं always, sometimes and never. इन थ्री वर्ब्स को देखते हुए आपने मज़ीद एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है वो फाइंड आउट करनी है. ये एडवर्ब्स हैं ऑलवेज, समटाइम्स एंड नेवर्स. आपने इनके सिनोनिम्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं जो आप एटलीस्ट 3 और मोर देन 3 लिख सकते हैं जो इसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहे होंगे. ठीक है, मैं आपकी हेल्प कर देती हूँ. फॉर ऑलवेज यू कैन राइट द वर्ड कॉन्टीन्यूसली, ओके, कॉन्स्टेंटली, permanently or perpetually. For sometimes you can use the adverbs of frequency now and again. Okay, now and again, intermittently, sporadically. For the word never, okay, for the word never we can use at no time, on no occasion, not once. Okay, you can find yourself any other adverbs of frequency and write them in the column below. D part. Choose a suitable adverb of frequency from the list and add them to the sentences below in a suitable place. Now you have given some adverbs of frequency. Now and then, kabhi kabhar, twice, 2 times, ever, every time, monthly something happens, and annually, और जो annually होते हैं. आपको क्या करना है, sentences दिए गए हैं. You have to choose appropriate, suitable, proper, exact adverb of frequency and write them in these sentences. इन्हीं sentences के स्टार्ट में, आफ्टर द वर्ब और बिफोर द वर्ब, जैसे भी आपको सूटेबल लगते हैं इनको आप यूज़ करें और सेंटेंसेस को कंप्लीट करें और इसको फिल करके नोट डाउन कर लीजिए. ओके, लेट्स डू नंबर 1. इज़ ही गोइंग टू पैक हिज स्कूल बैग प्रॉपरली. अब वो अपना स्कूल बैग प्रॉपरली पैक करने वाला है, कर रहे हैं. क्या होगा इसमें, now and then, twice, ever, monthly or annually. The most suitable word here is ever. Is he ever going to pack his school bag properly? Okay, understand? Write it down. Is he ever going to pack his school bag properly? Done. In number 1, you will write down ever. Number 2, the class takes place at the new college in the south wing. The most suitable word used here will be monthly. The class takes place. Now we write down adverb of frequency after the verb. जो more उसको इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें दे रहा है वो वर्ब के बारे में है, तो यहाँ पे हम इसको आफ्टर द वर्ब नोट डाउन करेंगे. The class takes place monthly at the new college in the south wing. Okay, understand? अब नेक्स्ट पे आ जाइए. The goats chewed everything, so she certainly won't forget to shut the gate. क्या होगा अब यहाँ पे, we will write the word twice. The goats chewed everything, so she certainly won't forget to shut the gate twice. यहाँ पे हम इसको at the end of a sentence हम adverb of frequency use करने हैं. Number 4, the celebrations occur when the pavilion is available and the cost of hiring it is not too high. अब यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, think over it. Here we again write the adverb of frequency after the verb. Next to verb आप कह सकते हैं the celebrations occur annually when the pavilion is available and the cost of hiring it is not too high. Number 5, you can see the stork wading in the shallows if you are patient and make no noise. Patient and make no noise. Now and then you can see the stork wading in the shallows if you are patient and make no noise. Okay, understand everyone? Do it in your books. Do the next part, E part. In each of the sentence, underline the adverb of frequency and the verb it relates to. अब इस पार्ट में आपको क्या करना है, आपको अंडरलाइन करना है एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी को और उसके साथ उस वर्ब को भी अंडरलाइन करना है जो उससे रिलेट कर रहे हैं. Let's do it. Number 1, Grace and her family rarely visit her grandparents because they live too far away. Now, you have listened the word rarely. Rarely, as I have told you, that this is a word that tells us about an action that happens only a few times. तो जहाँ पे कोई एक्शन फ्यू टाइम्स के लिए हो वहाँ पे हम रेयरली और सेल्डम का वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ इन दिस सेंटेंस व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल अंडरलाइन द वर्ड adverb of frequency rarely and then next verb that relates to this adverb. Okay, rarely and visit, underline both these two words. Turn over the page, page number 52. Occasionally Jane collects her small brother from school and takes him to the park. अब यहाँ पे आपको समझ आ रहा होगा कि here the adverb of frequency is occasionally. So underline it. It is written according to the sentence in the beginning of it. And the verb is collects. Okay, underline occasionally and collects. Number 3, the festival generally begins with singing and dancing and a band playing by the lake. Here now the words are generally and begins. At number 4, every day that greedy cat asks for food from the neighbors even though she is well fed by her owners. Now the adverb of frequency here is again at the beginning of the sentence. It is every day and the verb related to is asks. Number 5, we often meet up with our friends to have a picnic and a bike ride or a game of cricket. Now here again the word that is adverb of frequency is often and the verb is meet up. So underline the verb adverb of frequency often and the verb meet up. Okay, do it in your books. I am going to repeat these words again. At number 1, it is rarely and visit, occasionally and collects, generally and begins, every day and asks, often and meet up. Okay, do it in your books. Then the next one is F part. Write sentences using these adverbs of frequency. The words are every half hour, daily, weekly, every fortnight. You have to make the sentences using these adverbs of frequency in your notebooks. This is your homework of today. And this is the end of today's lecture. Thank you everyone.